Audio Jungle. GK Learning.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल जीके लर्निंग। आज के इस वीडियो में हम कुछ ऐसे क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करेंगे जो आपके आने वाले कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम में आपको बहुत हेल्प करेंगे। व्हाट इज़ द थीम ऑफ 2020 वर्ल्ड ओशियन डे? आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, इनोवेशन फॉर अ सस्टेनेबल ओशियन। The theme for the 2020 World Ocean Day is Innovation for a Sustainable Ocean. The UN World Ocean Day celebration in 2020 was held as a virtual event produced in partnership with Oceanic Global. The theme is in line with UN Decade of Ocean Science for Sustainable Development. What is the important agency of Department of Personnel and Training, Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions? Answer is option D, all of above. The three important agencies of Development of Personnel and Training, Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pension are Central Administrative Tribunal, Central Information Commission and Central Vigilance Commission. When did the UN General Assembly pass resolution and designated the observation of World Ocean Day? Answer is option D, 2008. World Ocean Day was essentially proposed by Canada's International Centre for Ocean Development and the Ocean Institute of Canada at the Earth Summit Conference in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil in the year 1992. When is the World Ocean Day observed? Answer is option C, 8 June. World Ocean Day is celebrated on 8 June. The day is observed to create awareness about the role played by the ocean on Earth. Oceans are the world's largest source of protein. More than 3 million people depend on the ocean as their primary source of protein and livelihood. Dr. Jitendra Singh inaugurated Central Administrative Tribunal bench at dash. Answer is option D, Union Minister of State, Independent Charge, Development of Northeastern Region, Personnel, Public Grievances, Pensions, Atomic Energy and Space. Dr. Jitendra Singh inaugurated the 18th bench of Central Administrative Tribunal for the Union Territories of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh through a video conference on 8 June. When was the Earth Summit Conference held in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil? Option is answer option A, 1992. World Ocean Day was essentially proposed by Canada's International Centre for Ocean Development and Ocean Institute of Canada at the Earth Summit Conference in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil in the year 1992. Indian Air Force is to induct dash airborne rescue pod for isolated transportation. Answer is option B, 7. Indian Air Force has designed, developed and inducted an airborne rescue pod for isolated transportation. Currently, Indian Air Force is inducting a total of a total of 7 airborne rescue pods for isolated transportation. What is the cost of airborne rescue pod for isolated transportation developed by Indian Air Force? Answer is option A, 60,000. Indian Air Force has designed, developed and inducted an airborne rescue pod for isolated transportation. The cost of this is 60,000 only, which is very less as compared to the imported system costing up to rupees 60 lakh. India signed Memorandum of Understanding with Dash to develop cooperation in the power sector. Answer is option C, Denmark. India and Denmark signed Memorandum of Understanding on Indo-Denmark and Energy Cooperation to develop cooperation in the power sector.